So this results not allowed. And when this will come, ये कब आएगा? There is limit. You put any value of x in the given function, whatever function you say, f of x, right? And what happens is कि ये आपका इस तरह का result दे देगा. So what do you do in that case? Right? Let us see one by one what we do actually. Okay. So we use a rule called a L-Hospital rule. Okay. And first of all, you need to check whether this is coming or this condition is actually coming or not. And then you apply an L-Hospital rule. And what is that L-Hospital rule? L-Hospital rule is nothing but if you have any function, suppose x tends to any value a, and f of x, which लिखा हुआ है f1, let us say f2, and you put the data over there, and you get a case, get the above case, right? So you get not defined. You get not defined. So what we do? We simply put the limits as it is. X tends to a. We will differentiate the numerator. So f1 of s dash f2 of x dash, just differentiate it and put the data again, x is equal to a in the numerator and denominator, and you should get your result. And suppose the result doesn't come. Again, if you may get what? Not defined. So in this way, next step, limit. So you keep on differentiating until and unless you get a defined result. Okay. So this is a single derivative. Now you differentiate again f1 and f2. So now this is a double derivative. Put x is equal to 1, x is equal to a, and check the result. If you get it, very good. If you don't get it, sir, repeat the step. If you get 5, 10, 20, 25, 0, very nice. If you don't get it, you get 0 upon 0 or infinity upon infinity. Then you keep on differentiating it until and unless you get a defined value. This is the method of your solving intermediate states. Right? ये बिल्कुल free का है. बिल्कुल सर मैं आपको बताऊं 3 marks. I'm writing minimum. This is minimum. And you might get more than that also. Okay, Manipal. So let's see some of the questions of it. Okay? So this is so simple that I can go straight away to your question paper. Okay, it's so simple, right? So let us see this now. So ये बाद में करते हैं. पहले हम करते हैं. So every time you are getting a 3 marks question, right? With the partial derivative, every time you are getting it. Okay? So let us take this one first. Now, look at this. This is of second semester, B.Tech, August 2022. So what do we have over here? Limit x tends to pi by 2 log cos x divided by tan x. Divided by tan x. So there was an Euler's equation that we did in the last session, and apart with this, you have got this, and the total number is 6. So you definitely expect a 3 marks question from here. Every time you are getting it, you may see the question paper. Every time. Okay, now let's apply that. Let's apply this. So, first of all, let me tell you one thing. If you get log 0, this is not defined. If you get log 1, it is 0. This is defined. Okay, so 0 is a definite number. Then if you have got 10, 90, that is pi by 2, it is infinity. This is again not defined. Okay, so what else you are going to get? And cos was, so you know that cos pi by 2 is 1, and cos sine pi by 2, sine 90, cos pi by 2 is 0, and sine pi by 2 is 1. वेदांत, हेलो,
Yes, sir.
सवेरे कहाँ थे आप?
Yes, sir.
मॉर्निंग में कहाँ थे?
So my class, sir, I
अरे
attended your class.
सॉरी, इथेन नहीं था, इथेन मान लिया छुट्टी.
So I was also there.
मॉर्निंग.
I was also there. Yeah,
So who was not there?
1 to 2 class, right? Yes, sir, I was there.
So who was not there in the morning? There was 3 students. I don't know who was there, not there.
टेलर
Different.
मैक्लaren पढ़ा है ना अपने सुबह.
Okay. Achha. Let's see this. Now, this is what is required in this particular problem. Okay, put it aside. You might get these values in other problems also. So limit. So this is a 2022 paper, 3 marks. Okay. So now I can put it straight away. Let's put it log of cos pi by 90 divided by tan 90, that is pi by 2. So cos, log of cos. So cos pi by 2 कितना होता है? Cos pi by 2 is 0. Sir, not defined again. And this is tan pi by 2. Tan pi by 2 is 90. Tan 90. You can write it again as infinity. So you see, sir, you are getting not defined. So you can't put this value. And that value is pi by 2 in this equation. So what we will do? Yes, please. So as I told you, L hospital rule, right? L hospital rule. So what is that rule? Limit derivative of the numerator, limit x tends to pi by 2, derivative of the numerator f dash of x, and derivative of the denominator f dash of x. Let us make it 1, let us make this 2. Okay. So if I have got f1 of x is equal to cos x. So what is f? Log cos x, sorry. Log cos x. So what is the derivative of this? So log is 1 by x. So log cos x means 1 by x. This is a log derivative. And go inside and derivative. That is your cos. That means I will get sine x. So this is the numerator part. This is the numerator part. And therefore what we get? Sine x upon cos x. Keep it as it is. You can convert it into tan also if you want. Then the next step is, let us differentiate the second function, the denominator function. And that is tan. Tan pi by 2. If you differentiate tan pi by 2, pi by 2 nahi, tan x, I'm sorry. If you differentiate tan x, not pi by 2, pi by 2 constant. So if you differentiate this, tan is sec whole square x. Tan is sec whole square x. So let's put it. Limit x tends to pi by 2. Here's the new numerator now. That is sin x upon cos x. And denominator is sec whole square x. So a little bit of solution is required. Limit x tends to pi by 2. And here we have got sin x. And here we have got cos x. And what is sec? Sec is 1 by cos theta. Reciprocal of sec is cos. that is square x. So one of the term will cancel out, and you will be left with limit x tends to pi by 2, and I will be left with sine x and cos x. Now there is a trigonometric formula 2 sine theta cos theta. So I will insert a 2 over here, and as a result 2 outside. अच्छा एक चीज बता, तुम लोग बोलता भी नहीं है यार, ये जब मैं cos का डेरिवेटिव किया ना चेन रूल में यहाँ पे, so log cos x is 1 by cos, that's log x is equal to 1 by x. You will go inside and differentiate it, that will produce a negative sign, sir. So this will be a negative sign, there will be a negative sign. So insert a negative sign on that. Minus. So I will get minus 1 by 2. And this is the format. Log x tends to pi by 2. And this is sine 2x. This is the trigonometric formula of sine 2x. Sine 2x is sin x cos x, 2 sin x cos x. And therefore I introduced a 2 in the numerator and u in the denominator. Check it please. Now you can very comfortably put the data 1 by 2 minus, and this is my limit, and limit is x tends to pi by 2. And I will put it over here sine 2 into pi by 2. This cancels out, and I will be left with minus 1 by 2 sine pi. Sine pi is 0. And sine pi is 0. And 0 is a well-defined number, sir. And therefore, the answer is 0, sir. 3-mark question. Very simple, sir. Keep on differentiating and you are going to get the result. It is as simple as this. Please check it. Clear? Please check it. Any problem anywhere? Yes?
No problem, sir.
So this is again a question. Evaluate limit x tends to 0, x square plus 2 cos x minus 2 divided by x to the power 4. And this is for x to 0. Okay. Okay, this is 3 marks again. 13th June 2024, 9:30 से 11:30. बिल्कुल फ्री का है, फ्री. And I'm टूट पड़ना बिल्कुल. If you see this, okay, it is so simple. Let's see. Let's put the data. If you put 0, limit. If you put 0, x tends to 0. Oh, directly you do it now. तो मैं डाल दिया 0 का स्क्वायर, मैं डाल दिया 2 into cos 0 minus 2 divided by 0 to the power 4. बहुत अच्छा बात. Cos 0 is 1. Cos 0 is 1. What do you get? 2 minus 2 divided by 0. 0 upon 0. Sir, not allowed. Not allowed. Intermediate forms. L hospital rule. So what we do? Limit x tends to 0. Let's differentiate the numerator. X square 2x cos 2 sin x, but with a negative sign. Minus 0. Derivative of 2 is 0. And this is 4x squared. Come on, please. Come on.
4x cube, sir.
4x cubed, sir. Let's put the data. 2 into 0 minus 2 into sin 0, 4 into 0 to the power 3. सर नहीं आया, सर नहीं आया. Not allowed. Come on, now you do it. Come on, you do it. Keep on performing the same step repeatedly and see what you are getting at last. And see what are you getting at last. Anybody, sir? Limit. Let's differentiate once again. 2x, 2 cos x. 4 into 3, 12. X to the power 2. Let's put it. 2 minus 2 cos 0 divided by 12, 0 square. Cos 0 is 1. 2 minus 2 into 1. तो नहीं हुआ. Limit x tends to 0. 2, 0 now. 2 sin x, but with a negative sign, this becomes plus. And this becomes 24x. 2 into sin 0 divided by 24 into 0. Sin 0 is 0 upon 0. Sir, नहीं हुआ.
Answer आ गया, sir.
कितना आया?
I got it as -1 by 24.
Let's check it. Limit x tends to 0. So अब sin. So this is 2 cos x divided by 24. X has become 1 now. So you will get it as 2 cos 0 divided by 24. Sign derivative is cos positive. So my result is 1 by 12. Check your answer, please. Not negative, and moreover, where is this 2? You cut that 2, you will get 1 by 12. Check it, please.
माइनस रहेगा ना, सर?
माइनस क्यों रहेगा सर? सर ऊपर में cos की माइनस थी यहाँ पे.
Okay. Yeah. Sorry. My bad.
Done. Okay. One more exam question. Yeah. ये हो गया कौन सा और एक था ना Yeah. ये क्वेश्चन क्लियर किया हमने अभी हमने already किया So this is again from 14th June 2024. It's chemistry group. I don't know what it is. 9:30 to 12:30. And this limit x tends to 2 x cube minus 7x square plus 10x divided by x square plus x minus 6. So x square plus 0. You can put the result and check it. So every time you differentiate and get the result, again check it. In this particular question, you can go with the classical method that I have taught you, but that will be a bit lengthy if you go start directly. You may start directly. If you are comfortable, you start the question. Put 2, check whether it is 0 or 0 or not. But a little bit of a twist I want to do over here, because I can see something. And what is that something? From the numerator, if I take x common, I will get x square minus, sorry, this is 7x. 7x. Hey, Danato, hold on. Question. X square minus 7x square. Okay, square. So if I take x common from here, I will get 7x plus 10. Plus 10. Are ये word miss क्यों करें? X. So if you see this is 10. X square minus 2x minus 5x plus 10. So I can very easily factorize it. So it is actually x into x minus 2. You know words गायब हो जा रहे हैं. X minus 5. Check it. Numerator has got a solution. If you don't want to do in this way, don't do it. Just put 2, see 0 upon 0. If you get 0 upon 0, differentiate it, put again the value of 2 as I told you. But if you do this, it can be solved in 2 steps. Next is the denominator. If you look at the denominator, this x square, this is x, 3, 2. So plus 3x plus minus 2x minus 6. So this is x plus 3, this is 2, x minus 3, and this is 3. So x minus 3 and x minus 2. So this is the denominator. Now look at the beauty of this method. Limit x tends to 2. And if you have this can now be replaced by x minus 2, x minus 5. And the denominator I have got x minus 3, x minus 2. Sometimes this might happen, okay? Not always. So this is x minus 5 divided by x minus 3. Straight results are put 2. अरे क्या हो रहा है 2 minus 5 upon 2 minus 3. 2 into minus 3 divided by minus 1. Minus 1. Correct, na? And that generates plus 6. Answer, sir. 2, na? Hold on. This is plus. Sorry. X plus 3. So this is plus. Please make this plus, please. Plus 3. That is why I'm thinking, ठीक कैसे हो जाएगा ये? तो ये बन गया मेरे पास 2 into minus 3 divided by 5. Now it's minus 6 by 2. It's plus 6. Huh? और है क्या? अब तो एक ही जैसे हैं सब. एक ये हो गया. Yes. This is June 2020. Why
Sir, can
not?
you go to previous question, sir? मैं लिख रहा था, sir. Yes, sir.
लिख क्यों रहा था? तुम्हें करना चाहिए. अरे
Yes, sir, done. कौन सा लिख रहा था? Limit x tends to 0. 1 plus x to the power 1 by x minus e plus ex by 2 divided by x square. ये कैसा करते हैं? 0 डालूंगा तो मैं 1 by 0 to the power infinity. This is infinity. Okay. Okay. Now, limit x tends to 0. So let's put it straight away. 1 plus 0 to the power 0 minus e constant plus e into 0 divided by 2 upon 0 square. So 0 square will definitely make whatever you have got in the numerator. Anything over 0 is 1 minus e divided by 0. Sorry, infinity. Come on. Let's work it out. So L hospital rule. Limit x tends to 0. X tends to 0. I need to differentiate this. Now this is a bit tedious. Let's say y, which is 1 plus x to the power 1 by x. So how do you do this type of derivatives? So we take log on both the sides. So log y is 1 by x log 1 plus x. So basically we take log on both the sides. Okay. Let's differentiate. So log y is 1 by y But with that, you need to add dy by dx because this term doesn't contain x in it implicit. So it's a UV method. So keep 1 by x as it is and differentiate log x and differentiate log x. Log x is 1 by 1 plus x plus. Now you keep log x as it is. And now you differentiate 1 by x. And you know the derivative of 1 by x. In the morning also we did derivative of 1 by x. So bring x to the numerator. Minus 1 x to the power minus 1 minus 1. So minus 1 x to the power minus 2. That is minus 1 by x squared. So therefore this is 1 by x squared with a negative sign. So what I'm getting then? dy by dx is equal to y. So y is multiplied 1 upon x, 1 plus x, plus, not plus, minus, 1 by x squared, log 1 plus x. Let's check it. And what is my y? This is my y. 1 plus x to the power 1 by x. 1 by x. 1 plus x minus 1 by x squared log 1 plus x. There's a problem in this question, I think. There is a problem because इसको मुझे और एक बार डिफरेंशिएट करना है because you need x square. तो जब तक ये जीरो नहीं होता है तब तक नहीं होता. So this is my x square. So first derivative will produce this. Are you getting x common? The numerator. So I've got 1x and one more x will be added over here. I think this is ये जो है ना ये 1 by x है ना ये x होना चाहिए. ये तुम्हारे क्वेश्चन पेपर में ही मिसप्रिंटिंग है. But let us see. अभी कुछ जज नहीं करेंगे हम. Let's split it and see that. First, then we'll see. Okay. अभी कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे. तो ये रह गया मेरा पाथ. Okay. Fine. So here it is. I'm ready with that numerator derivative. 1 plus x to the power 1 by x, open the bracket, 1 by x, 1 plus x. This is not getting cancelled out. Because 1 by x, this will always tend to make this function infinity. No, sir. Derivative of, okay, I have not yet completed. 1 by x square log 1 plus x. So this is just the derivative of the first part. Derivative of e, constant, 0. And derivative of ex to the plus e by 2. And in the denominator, you have got 2x. Look at this, sir. I have differentiated the numerator. I have differentiated the numerator. Let's put 0. If I put 0, it is 1 plus 0. 1 by 0. You say 1 by 0. This will always make the function infinity, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Problem is, sir. यहाँ पे ये, because this is a known question for me. This has to be power of x, not 1 by x. ना मान नहीं पाया सर. आप देखो सर, every time you differentiate, you are going to get this 1 by x. And 1 by x, every time it will generate 0. And 1 by 0 is infinity. And this is always 1 plus x. So 1 plus x to the power 1 by x. So anything to the power infinity is infinity. So आपका हमेशा numerator infinity रहेगा सर.
हमेशा आप कितना भी बार डिफरेंशिएट कर दो, कितना भी बार आप डिफरेंशिएट कर दो, you will always, and moreover the second derivative of this function is very tight, yes sir, आप देख सकते हो. ओके तो सर ये